Hi, my name is Kari, and I'm the product architect here at FieldSync. What I'd like to go over with you in this video are the different UI changes that you can expect to see in our new mobile application coming out in the FieldSync 3.0 release. Now, one of the overall changes that we've made throughout the application is we've added in more native capabilities. So based on whether you're on an Android device or an iOS device, you may see slight differences in how the UI is presented. The benefit to this is that users who are used to using Android applications will feel more comfortable with the FieldSync interface, and those users that are used to iOS applications will also feel more comfortable. So let's go ahead and take a look. Now on the screen you will see I'm connected to an iPad, so this would be the iOS interface. We've updated the login screen to include our new branding. Now, one of the biggest changes that we've made in this mobile application is we got rid of the main menu and we have replaced it with a slide out navigation menu that can be accessed from anywhere within the application. Now, when you first log in, by default, you will see this navigation menu, and you also see the first page of another module. Right now, I have it set to display my scheduling module, but this can be configured by each company. So you can determine which of these pages that you see on the left-hand side that you want your users to see when they first log in. Now, whether that be messages or data entry or logs, you can make that choice. Now, we made this change because we really feel like it is in line with the current mobile application standards, and utilizing a menu button such as this one is very popular in most of the mobile applications out there right now. Now, the navigation bar can be opened by either selecting that button, or you can actually just swipe to the side and it will display the menu as well. Another feature that we've added is a pull-down sync. So as you can see here on my screen, we still have a sync button on the navigation menu. You also have the ability to do a pull-down sync on all of the primary pages. So for example, let's go into the messages module, and you will see when I pull the page down and then release, it will complete a synchronization and bring in any new messages that I have. So for those users who are used to using pull-down sync, this brings FieldSync in line with other applications. Another change that we've made is within our configurable fields. So I'm going to go into the logs module and create a new log. I'll choose my log type of config fields test. Alice Adams as my customer. You'll see as I scroll down to the configurable fields that require drawing or viewing of an image, now they are displayed in a pop-up window. So if I tap the button to sign, the signature block is now displayed on top of my screen rather than navigating me to a completely different screen. And the same goes with the images. For example, on this image display, if I have a floor plan or a map of some sort, when I tap on the image, it brings the image up above the screen so I don't have to navigate to a different page. And similarly, if I have an image markup and I choose Edit, I'll see the image in the pop-up, can indicate the areas of injury, and save the image. Now, as I mentioned, we have a lot of features that are now more native. So for example, the toolbars within the application are native. So up here, you can see a plus sign. And when I go into a log, you will see the buttons that have words on them. Now, this is a standard within iOS, but in the Android application, you'll see icons that are more consistent with what you normally see in Android applications. Speaking of Android, we also have enabled the hardware back button on Android devices. So you can now utilize that button to move to the previous screen or to undo an action. Finally, we have replaced the map functionality with native map functionality. So now when you come into a customer, for example, you can see I have my address here as 123 Main Street in Boise. When I select the map button, it actually launches the map application that is native to the operating system. If you're on an Android device, it will open up Google Maps. If you're on an iOS device, it'll open up the Maps application. What this allows you to do is to utilize the Get Directions functionality, the navigation, to determine what the best route is, and you can use all of that functionality at the click of a button and then quickly go right back into FieldSync. So this really provides you with expanded capabilities and allows you to add even more value to FieldSync. Finally, you can also see that there's a new icon on the navigation bar called Files. Our Files module is a brand new module within FieldSync 3.0 that allows you to upload files that can be viewed on the mobile device by your users. Now there will be another video to go over the functionality in the entire Files module, but I did want to show you that this capability will also be included in the FieldSync 3.0 release. Now that's a really quick glance at the new features and functionality that you can expect to see in our brand new mobile application in FieldSync 3.0. If you have any questions about this upcoming release or about anything else related to FieldSync, please don't hesitate to give us a call. Thank you.